you know, I would like to save some money at this point. So I don't know where my budget or what it was that I've spent so far, but it's adding up real quick. So for instance, I ordered $500 of stuff earlier today. I just now ordered $500 more. Plus I brought home $800. So that's $1,000. That's $1,800 so far. And so maybe I can knock $285 off of that. And that's not included in that AC compressor. Remember, 18 on that $1,800. I also last week bought that AC compressor, which was $280 plus taxes, basically $300. So on top of 18 is 18, 21, 2,100 so far. And of course, that's not all on the AC. I did get, you know, front end parts and stuff like that, but those didn't cost hardly anything. And the sway bars, I haven't even paid for those yet, and that's $300. But that's pennies compared to what I'm paying on this AC unit, right? And anywho, so that's where I'm at. So the day is coming to a close. I'm going to really try to get this expansion valve off up here. That's the last thing I'm going to try to do. If I can get that off, that'd be golden, as a half-buck garage would say. That'd be golden. So I'll try to get them. I have my doubts at this point. But if I can't get these off, that means I got to have these lines too. Oh boy, that thing's hot. What is that? Huh, I think it's drawing a lot of power. Anyway, yeah, if I can't get this off, then I'll have to have these lines. Oh boy, what a money pit this AC is. But like I said, with all the labor that's going into this, just imagine if the shop was doing it. I'm a do-it-yourselfer. I wonder what that is. Oh, these, huh, isn't that neato? Huh. Okay, guys and gals, I'll quit clowning around. I'll talk to you guys later. Later.